Question number 13 same as question number 12, but in this video we will discuss question number 14 to 16. The last three question of exercise 1.1 chapter first relation and function. Let's see 14 question here. First, let L be the set of all lines in a xy plane and R be the relation in L defined as L1 is parallel to L2. Show that R is equivalence relation. Find the set of all lines related to the lines y equals to 2x plus 4. So first we need to prove that here R is equivalence relation. In order to we will have to show that here R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Now for reflexive, let's see. First, let L1 belongs to L because L is the set of all lines in a plane. Then L1 is parallel to L1 parallel to L1. It is true because any line parallel to itself only, so we can write here L1 L1 belongs to R. Therefore R is reflexive, isn't it? Now second one we see symmetric. For symmetric, we need to take here two lines in set L, L1, L2. Then L1 comma L2 belongs to relation, and relation is given here L1 parallel to L2. So if we can write L2 parallel to L1, so it is true. So then we can write here L2 comma L1 belongs to. This is the condition of symmetric. Therefore we can say R is symmetric, isn't it? Now third one is transitive. For transitive, we need to take here three lines, not element, in set L. Then if L1 L2 belongs to R, that relation is L1 parallel to L2, and L2 L3 belongs to relation, the relation given L2 parallel to L3. So one or two condition we can see L1 must be parallel to L3. So we can write L1 comma L2 belongs L1 comma L3 belongs to R. That is the condition of reflexive. Therefore that is the condition of transitive. R is transitive. So hence R is an equivalence relation, we can say, isn't it? Now second part of this question, find the set of all lines related to the lines y equals to 2x plus 4. For this, let B be the set of line related to the line y equals to 2x plus 4, implies B L such that L is a line parallel to y equals to 2x plus 4. Therefore, B equals to L such that L is a plane whose equation is y 2x plus k can be any real number, isn't it? So first we take here B as a set related to 2x plus y. So the relation is L such that L is a line parallel to y 2x plus 4. If any line parallel to this, so we can put constant as a k here, isn't it? Because that value will be changed according to the condition. So it is the set of all lines related to the y equals to 2x plus 4. Now we will move to question number next 15 question. Let R be the relation in the set A1 2 3 4 given the relation here as a roster form. Choose the correct option. We have 4 options here. So let's see. So here first we will check here reflexive or not. So reflexive, we need each pair 1 1 2 2 3 3 and 4 4 in this relation. So we can say it is reflexive. Now see it is symmetric or not. So in symmetric we will see here 1 2 here, but 2 1 is not present in relation. So we can say it is not symmetric, isn't it? Now see it is transitive or not. So in transitive 1 2 2 1. So we will see 1 2 present here. If we will take 4 as a common, so there is no condition, there is no other condition here. 4 4 and 3 3, we will get 1 3 here. So all the condition in present in relation of transitive. So we can say it is reflexive, transitive, but not symmetric. So we can write here clearly for reflexive 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 R belongs to relation. ठीक है. So it is reflexive. And now symmetric. We need to choose the correct option here. So I will explain here. I am explaining here. So 1 2, there is no need to write it, but for understanding I will tell you. I am telling you here that thing. 2 1 does not belongs to R. So we can say B part is correct here. And earlier I told you the condition of transitive. So B part is correct here. So we can write hence, or therefore we can write therefore R is not symmetric, isn't it? So B part there, thus B is correct. Now move to next question. Question number 16 here. Let R be the relation in the set natural number given. Choose the correct answer here. So we need to put the value b greater than 6. So we can, if we write here 7, so we will get 5. So 7 and 5 is not here. Let's see. Relation is a equals to b minus 2, and the value of b greater than 6 at b equals to 7. So we get the value of a is 7 minus 2, 5. So here 7 minus 5 does not belongs to any part, isn't it? Now we put b equals to 8 here. If we put b equals to 8 here, so we will get here 6. So 6 comma 8 belongs to R. This is the C part here, isn't it? So C, therefore C is correct. C part is correct. So this is the exercise 1.1 of class 12 mathematics. We did all the question in videos. So hope you clear each and you have cleared each and everything. Thanks for watching this video, and please like and subscribe a learning place. Thank you.